What is going on, guys? It feels like just the other day we made a video about FSD going subscription only, and as of last night, in breaking news fashion, Musk tweeted out that Autopilot now will not be coming as part of their standard features, which is insane to me. I'm gonna go ahead and just start this video with a rant telling you guys that this is not good for consumers. It's a step back from a technology perspective and not part of Tesla's original mission. I think it's crazy. We're talking about saving the planet, making it a better place, safer for drivers now and all that. If this product is as good as Musk seems to always refer to it as, or its potential to be, why remove that safety feature from 90% of the people that are getting new Teslas? That just doesn't make good sense to me. Maybe from a business standpoint to increase those revenues, sure, I kind of get it, but this is very much of a surprise, leaving only traffic-aware cruise control and purchase of FSD Supervised as your options. It really is mind-blowing, and I apologize for the rant at the beginning here, but we can look at this on the website because this is live as of right now. When you scroll around, you'll be able to see when you go to purchase a Model 3 or Y currently, you only have the option to subscribe monthly to FSD Supervised or to purchase it outright. And again, that will all change next month. The S and the X are currently not included because they have those Lux packages, but I have a feeling that is also going to change in the middle of the month on February 14th as well. It's going to be very interesting to see how these next couple of months play out. There's a lot of other manufacturers out there currently that offer lane assist as a standard feature. You can go get a Camry or something that has that. I think Hondas have it even. The differentiating factor that Tesla has always had is their vertical integration and their software. Now you're taking a huge piece of the software away from your consumers as a price grab. And I understand it's probably because he needs to get these earnings up for his own package, but to now force people to subscribe to a minimum of $100 a month, Musk also said now that we are going to see an increase in that price over time as it gets better, kind of how we saw originally with full self-driving packages and all that. It is just amazing that this is the direction we're at. You guys know that follow the channel. I'm a huge Tesla advocate, still love my cars. They are great products, but the software is the differentiating factor. Nowadays, not even Chinese manufacturers, but range has been matched or exceeded by other local manufacturers here in the US. Build quality is always going to be much better than Tesla's. There's a slew of other competitors out there now in the market, Rivian included, that is just stepping up their game so much, it is making Tesla a harder sell. Now, having said all this and all the rants, would I go purchase one of these? Not now. I still do believe in what Tesla is doing here. However, it does make me pause and rethink the vehicles that I have with FSD fully purchased on it, like the new Model Y we have. I'll be keeping that for a while because it is just insane to me that you will have to now spend $100 extra a month on top of your car payment or your lease payment. Even if you purchase the vehicle, that's still $100 extra out of pocket for something you might utilize half the time. Maybe you take more advantage of it if you drive a lot, but for the general public, I just don't see this being a big value add. It's definitely disappointing. I'm curious to see the projection of what's going to happen now after February 14th. And we might do a follow-up video if you guys like this. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I'm just one person. This is just my opinion on the situation, but I just do not think it is pro-consumer here, and that is definitely a surprise. Aside from that, if you want to use one and you need a referral code, I'll throw mine up down below. If you're still going to buy one, please do it. It saves you guys some money. It helps out the channel immensely. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah, surprising news, breaking news. We will catch you in the next one. Peace.